blue skies and sunshine. Today is officially the first day of spring here in the Northern Hemisphere. As the leaves begin to grow, getting ready to unravel, we too can unwrap ourselves from the blanket of hibernation and admire this significant and meaningful time of life and vibrancy and change as it begins to take shape and transform the earth to its most awakened state of being. I'm reminded of how beautiful life is. Just as the trees have shed their old foliage, making way for new growth, we too can take this time to shed our old habits and beliefs that no longer serve us, making way for new growth of our own, and new experiences and opportunities so that we could truly flourish. Without change, we don't grow. Without growth, what is there? We're stunted. We're all trying to reach our full potential, so we all need to grow. We all need to go through the changes and make changes if something's not working for you. So I had to make a change in my outlook on life. I had to be reminded of all the beauty that surrounds me. You just have to have the eyes to see it. But there's beauty everywhere. There's beauty in everything. And if there's not beauty, there's potential for it. Or there's something to take from it. There's something to learn. There's something to gain. So in some ways, there's beauty in everything. Without change, the caterpillar would never know what it's like to fly. The universe works in mysterious ways, but you have to trust the process. Take a chance, take your time, be patient, grow your wings. Let the winds of life take you to your next destination. Sometimes you can sense the direction of change. Other times it just seems like it's all chaos. But even chaos is beautiful and has a direction of its own, even if it's all over the place. But I am ready for this change, and I could not be more excited. Ooh. But I'm ready for these changes because it is still getting a little cold right now. Ooh. I can't wait till it's t-shirt weather. But it's coming, I can feel it.